Hello my friends, today me and my friends are planning to travel by tram from Sintra Portugal to Praia das Maças of Atlantic Coast. Tram is the traditional electrical car and traveling in tram with viewing the sights is the main tourist attraction of the Portugal. Praia das Maças is one of the best beaches of the Portugal, which is called the Apples Beach in English. My friends, now I am in Sintra, Portugal. Sintra is the municipality of the Portugal, as well as it is one of the major tourist destinations of the Portugal. My friends, we can go Sintra by bus, train and car from Lisbon, and trip is about approximately 50 minutes by train from central location of Lisbon, Russia. My friends, we need to walk like a 7 minute to reach the Sintra tram station from Sintra train station. My friends, look there, people are waiting for the tram. In Lisbon tram, we can see crowd of tourists waiting for the tram. My friends, for travel this Sintra tram network, tickets are purchased from the driver. For this, we have to pay 3 euro for adult and 2 euro for senior citizen and children. And under age of 6, no need to pay. My friends, it always open at 9:30 am and it closes at 7 pm in summer, and in winter it closes at 6 pm. My friend, this Sintra tram network is operated by Sintra Municipality, Portugal, which cover more than 11 km and trip is about approximately 45 minutes, and that connects the village of Sintra to Praia das Maças of Atlantic Ocean. My friends, in Portugal there are 3 trams network: Porto, Lisbon and Sintra. But trams network had also built in Coimbra and Braga, but these 2 trams network were closed. All of these tram networks were made from 1895 to until 1914, in which Porto tram network is the oldest and was made in 1895. My friends, this Sintra tram network was constructed in 1904, and this red color trams has been using since 1930s. It's great, which maintains the original features such as wooden benches and brush tiles. My friend, one thing, please don't expect the more luxury on the tram. It's bumpy ride, noisy and slow, but this tram ride is quite fun and enjoyable. My friend, Sintra tram network is seasonal, just offering its service during the summer or bathing season.